What's up, Facebook, America, YouTube, Twitter, whatever you guys are on right now? Hey, what are you doing? You're trying to caress someone on the camera?
Touch me, Lord, one more time.
Arm hurts.
With your spirit. So? Why? She's crying. But I don't get. She's crying. Do you hear her? She has a lot of hoes in Colorado Springs. Can't name any because, you know, I know that I'm gonna, you know.
Don't listen to her.
She has a lot.
Don't listen to her. She's We don't call them hoes.
Anyways,
we call them bitches.
Tongans for life. This is why I love Tongans. Their culture. I love my culture, but I don't want to see that every day. You know, I want to see Tongan. Just kidding. No, I just want to marry outside of my race. You know, there's nothing wrong with marrying your own race, but you know, you gotta love some, you know, people outside of your race. Like my hair. Stop it! Stop it now! Stop. And I love Marys, but you know, I like how people need to stop asking me when am I gonna marry right now, especially Sister Joshi. Shoot. And
Hello Kitty. I don't know what kind of print that is.
I'll give you this print.
A fancy design.
Anyways,
you're jealous, huh?
Tongans for life.
Tamasi for a lolly.
Tamasi for a lolly. Look away, go come You know who said who knows? I believe.
Who? Who? No way.
Yeah, he was like, you know, there's people mad at you. I was like, he's like, you kick it with him. I go, nigga. Anyways, my song.
You say everything's your song.
No. Anyways.
Oh, I just want to let you guys know that my Niners won today.
Niners.
20,
Dom.
Whatever.
Tomorrow, brother. Shh. Raiders suck.
Raiders do suck.
Raiders suck. Okay. Raiders suck. F Raiders. Can say this on Sunday. You know we had church. But Niners, I love you. Anyways. Let's see. I'm gonna marry a Tongan when I grow up. And you know, everybody, you guys need to stop asking me when the hell I'm gonna get married when I'm only 20 years old. Okay? I have a lot of years to go. And I gotta do my priorities, goals, values in life. Like right now, like such as school, family, church, shit. And even though I'm turning 21, and help me out.
What are we talking about?
Back me up.
Oh yeah.
Me.
Fo doesn't need to be married right now. Okay.
Okay. How you go?
So boys, Fo's not looking, so please stay away from my wifey. We're already married. We're couple number 2, is that what they call us? Anyways, yeah, she's only 20 and she doesn't really need a man in her life right now because men are just, we're not gonna go there. But she doesn't have time for you. So she's not gonna, you know, she don't have a phone and you know she doesn't have time to call you like 24/7 and like cater to your every need, because you know boys are really needy. You gotta text them like whenever they text you, you know, like if they don't text you back, like they question like your relationship, like, ooh, are you like cheating on me and shit. No, Fo doesn't have time for that shit, okay? So please,
You just plain on a dick to feel on it.
what? Anyways, please don't and don't hit Fo up on Facebook, because you know if we haven't met in person, we ain't gonna hook up on Facebook, like,
For real.
or at least Fo's definitely not, because you know she lives in Colorado now, so especially if you live in Cali and you trying to get at Fo, like,
Hey,
definitely not gonna work. What?
don't try to follow me, okay? Just because I'm in Colorado.
Oh yeah, don't move to
I know
Colorado.
you was in Modesto.
Who?
I didn't tell you.
No, he
You-
didn't tell me. Anyways, but yes, don't follow us around, okay?
Yes.
I know we're cool and all, but don't. It's not cute.
I was like, here. He ironed me. And he goes, guess what? And I was like, what? He goes, I'm in Modesto. He goes, where you at, Kurt? I was like, oh yeah, guess what? He goes, what? I go, I'm in Colorado. The beach.
Oh, is that what you told me?
Yeah. And I was like, yeah, I live with all my brothers. You're supposed to agree.
Oh yeah, Emily.
Moi love it.
Sorry about it.
Sorry about it, eh? And plus, you weren't Tongan.
Yeah,
Wait, I'm
if
not
you're not Tongan, don't talk to her.
I'm
She
not
only
racist,
likes Tongans.
but I love Tongans. Sorry about it.
She's on that horsey movement. Like, seriously, get off.
Sorry about it.
Get off of it.
Anyways, this has been a long video, so we're gonna stop. We love you.
Peace.